Welcome back to the training session of SmartERP POS. We shall continue towards our next chapter, which is logging into the system of SmartERP POS. In this chapter, we shall cover in detail how to log into the system with the respectfully assigned credentials, meaning the username and password of the user. To log into the system, open the SmartERP POS application on your device and tap on Get Started. After that, type your username, followed by your password. When you have successfully logged in, you will see your dashboard. Now, you may begin to perform different functionalities of the SmartERP POS app. So to summarize this chapter, we have seen how to log into the system with the respectful username and password on SmartERP POS. For more training, visit our YouTube channel or scan the QR code as shown here. Thank you for watching and good luck.